Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a delicious seafood treat, my low-carb, keto-friendly crab cakes. This recipe has only a third of a net carb per patty and far exceeded my expectations. It's loaded with an awesome balance of flavor, spice, and texture, and is super easy to make. Let's get started. First, we'll do just a little prepping by finely chopping one green onion stalk. Next, we'll pre-blend our seafood spices. To a small bowl, add some salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little Old Bay seasoning, and a bit of cayenne pepper. Give a mix to blend well. To a large mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of lump crab meat. Add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, our seafood spice blend, the chopped green onions, a little of my low-carb Worcestershire sauce, some lemon juice, 1 lightly beaten egg, and we'll finish with some ground pork rinds. Mix well with your hands to blend together. When everything is blended, use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to help portion in size. With your hands, form the crab cake. Repeat until all the crab mix is used. This recipe made about 7 patties for me. You may have more or less depending on the portion size you make. Add some oil to a skillet on medium-high heat and melt in some unsalted butter. Place the crab cakes in the skillet, being careful not to overcrowd, and fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until a nice crust forms. Be careful not to flip too early or they may break up on you. Let drain on a paper towel, and don't make the same mistake I made by making these with grown daughters in the room who decided to scarf down a couple before I could finish. Serve hot with some lemon wedges and my delicious remoulade sauce. Look for that recipe this Sunday. And enjoy a wonderful seafood meal. There you have it, folks, my low-carb crab cakes, a delicious and guilt-free way to enjoy an awesome seafood dish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.